are you doing? Beep! Let's fucking go! Beep! What are you doing? Fuck you. That's what I'm doing. Just shut up and get my fucking way, you dick. You piece of shit car ass nigga. Get the fuck away, pull over. I got you on video, cunt. Bastard. Thank you, sweetie, got on tape. Oh, what's up, Motto? What's up, Motto? Let's go. Beep, beep. Beep. Get what the fuck are you gonna do? What the hell are you gonna do? You still have 2 lanes. 2 nigga lanes. You still have 2 lanes. 2 lanes. Pick one. Pick one. Hey! What are you doing? Driving. That's like going to pull over. No tone signal, asshole. No tone signal, no nothing. Hey, it's just Sammy Blake's. Wonderful. Piece of shit. No, it's not you. Tell me who you. Tell me you. I'm in my lane. Are you in lane? Pick a lane. Why do you leave my husband alone? That's it. Beep. Not you, Nick. It's the truck in front of you. Not you. I was doing the laws back. Don't fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Meals are fucking coming off. One way, fucking bus driver. Meals are coming fucking off. You have a problem with me? You just hit like fucking try, you dead ass. let's hit a one. Again? Get the fuck away, we'll pull over. Baby! You just fuck at me. You're not an emoji, you idiot. Oh, you're fucking kidding me, man. Oh, you're a fucking idiot. Nice one. Beep. Fucking moron. Fucking look. Come on, people. I'm not even going. In a green fucking light. It's fucking green. Come on! You don't have to right away. I just got through an accident. Yeah, I just got through an accident. That's the last time I'm paying for this car. Millions. Get the fuck away, Beep. 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 Oh, fucking shit. We got 5 bad drivers in this clip, so pay attention. One, beep. 2, no blinker. 3, and 4, and 5. Well, folks, that's all for today. Stay safe.